I'm Kim Kesti, Creative Director here at Fun Stamper's Journey, and I'm super excited to bring a short, quick little video to you all about the Bloom Box. Our November Bloom Box is so cute and so much fun, so I just can't wait to share it with you. Let's take a look at the box. So here's our adorable Bloom Box, and again, this is our November kit. So when I go ahead and open it, you can see all the darling little things inside. So again, our box is so fun. We've got the Bloom Box booklet, which of course comes every month, and it's got all the fun instructions to make all the cards, some extra little tips and techniques. That's super fun. Set that aside. And as always, our Bloom Box comes with a full-size red rubber stamp set. This one is called Cup of Tea. Isn't it so cute? I know that this is going to be a keeper you're going to want to use over and over again. So 17 stamps, great value on this set. Again, called Cup of Tea, and here's the indexed portion of the stamp, and it is full size and deeply etched red rubber. Love that. So also in your kit comes 4 card kits, and these are all kitted for you, pre-cut. All the die cutting is done, all the fun little pieces are trimmed out for you. This is such an easy and convenient way to create 4 darling, darling cards. So again, and we have some envelopes in there too, because we don't want you just to make these cards, we want you to give these cards to someone special. So this is adorable and this is super fun, but how would you like to see the actual projects that are made? I think so, right? Let's take a peek. So project number 1 is this super cute one with a darling little stack of teacups. So again, we're going to teach you how to create this special fun effect using some of our tools here at Fun Stamper's Journey. When you do get the Bloom Box, you're going to get access to an exclusive video that I create for you, and I walk you through all 4 projects and show you all kinds of fun tips and techniques on how to create these quick and easy, and I think you'll really enjoy that. So again, all of our purchasers to this kit get that video. So there's card number 1. Card number 2 has some fun techniques too. We've got some fun paper piecing action going on here, and all of our pretty colors of our inks that we use here at Fun Stamper's Journey, just love them. Love how everything coordinates. You're just my cup of tea. Isn't that fun? Are you guys coffee drinkers or tea drinkers? That's what you have to let me know. So this is a shaped card. So this is a really fun kit. Just a little bit different than your typical card. So again, sharing the technique on how to create this shaped card with our super cute scallop die cut. So this one's called A Hug in a Mug. So cute. And card number 4, which I think just might be my favorite. I tend to save my favorites for the very last card, but look at this darling little die cut piece. This is actually one of our dies from our window set, and we just used a little window ledge for a cute little shelf, so you've got all your darling little teacups. Now, if you're not so much into fussy cutting, guess what? This month's Bloom Box also comes with a matching die, so we love that. This isn't an extra piece that you can buy. Let's go over the actual Bloom Box. This month, the Bloom Box has a little bit different number for when you go into the website and order. And of course, all this can be found at funstampersjourney.com, of course. But this particular Bloom Box has a new SKU number, and it is BB.NOV for November. So super easy to remember, and we'll go ahead and post that for you. And again, super easy to find. Visit our website, just click on Bloom Box, and you will find the November box right there. Now the die is an add-on, so that's an additional price if you do want to purchase the die. This has the SKU right at the top. It's die number 0508, and again, we'll post that for you, and that'll be linked up in that same tab on our website. So if you don't like fussy cutting, it might be a good idea to purchase the die, because like I said, I know that this is a stamp set that you're going to want to use over and over and over again, because it's so much fun and so cute. So the Bloom Box now is available without subscribing, so you can go ahead and again check us out on the website. It is $24.95, and it's just what we call an a la carte item. So no subscription necessary. Perfect time to pick it up. Have a great kit that's just ready to go. Create the cards, have a blast, and I know that you will join us as we bring paper to life.